and welcome to Inside Outlook. I'm Jeff Havers, Superintendent of Pemberton Township Schools. Pemberton Township High School provides students with a comprehensive education, including the opportunity to enroll in a choice of 3 outstanding learning academies. With specialized coursework, field experiences, and volunteer opportunities, the academies provide valuable career exploration and pathways to success in specific fields. We are proud to provide students with the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math Academy, the Fine Arts and Music Experience Academy, and the Medical Arts Academy. Today, I'm proud to welcome 2 recent graduates from the Medical Arts Academy, Michaela and Caitlin Gose, along with Medical Arts Academy facilitator, Mrs. McCartney. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mrs. McCartney, can you give us some background of the Medical Arts Academy, including an overview of the current program?
Sure. So the Medical Arts Academy started in 2013, and it started out where students were able to pick some classes and had to take a certain amount of classes to graduate. Those classes have gotten, they have more of a choice now, but it's pretty much the same now in terms of the beginning of the Medical Arts Academy. We've just continued to grow. We started out with 20 students in 2013. We have 144 right now.
Wow, that allows you to have additional classes?
Yeah, so it's pretty reasonable because biology is one of the requirements, and that's also a requirement to graduate. We have some practical art classes in there that they can also use to apply for their graduation requirements. So, and the academy is different types of healthcare interests. So it could be for students that are going on to college, or perhaps students that would like to pursue a certification as a medical assistant or a nursing assistant. So it's very diverse.
Wow. Mikhail, you and your sister graduated from Pemberton Township High School and the Medical Arts Academy in 2022. Why did you choose to enroll in the Medical Arts Academy when you were first entering high school?
So we decided to enter the Medical Arts Academy in our sophomore year. We decided we wanted to take classes where we're both together, and the medical assistant class just happened to be one of them. Neither of us knew that we wanted to be in the medical field until we started being a little engaged in the class. We realized that it was something that we were remembering, we felt like we had a strong interest in, and we decided to keep that moving forward, and we decided to join the Medical Arts Academy from there.
Okay. So Caitlin, you wanted to join the Medical Arts Academy with your sister? Is that something you wanted to do together?
Yes, I was also very interested in the field, and Ms. Copeland did an amazing job getting us interested for the first time in the Medical Arts Academy.
All right. Tell me a little bit more about your experience in the academy, what the coursework was like, your field experiences, and overall impact it had on your decision to go into the healthcare field.
So the coursework in the classes that we took, it was mainly preparing us for to take the medical assistant certification exam as well as the patient care technician certification exam. The coursework provides a really good baseline as to what to expect in healthcare and what are normal ranges for patients and what to expect. The nursing assistant class also provides a clinical rotation to Deborah, where the students follow the nursing assistant around to see if that's something that they really want to pursue.
Now, Kayla, what were your 2 favorite classes in the Medical Arts Academy?
I want to say I really enjoyed medical assistant. It was very much hands-on, and I also enjoyed my nursing assistant class with Miss McCartney. She really did help everyone get engaged, and we definitely did so much that helped us get a baseline of knowledge for medicine.
Now, you're both currently working at the Deborah Heart and Lung Center, correct?
Yes.
How do you feel you were prepared to complete the Medical Arts Academy for this occupation?
So we felt prepared. I feel like the clinical experience definitely prepared us. It gave us really put us there in the situation as to what to expect. Also, like the coursework, like what Caitlin mentioned, you felt really engaged in it, and it just helped you memorize all the baselines better. So when you did start, you already have like background knowledge as to what to expect, like what's normal, what's not normal, and so on.
Now, Caitlin, you're currently working in the healthcare field right at the board, but I don't think this is your final stop. What are your plans for the future?
Well, right now, I'm currently in Rowan College of Burlington County, and I am in the nursing program. I'm hoping to get my BSN in nursing, and I'm hoping to pursue my dreams and become a BSN in cardiac nursing.
And how about you, Michaela?
I'm also attending Rowan College at Burlington County, and like Caitlin, I'm also trying to get my bachelor's in nursing. Once I do, I'm hoping to become a neuroscience nurse.
So neuroscience nurse and cardiology?
Yes.
Wow. Wow. Mrs. McCartney must be very proud of these two students. And do you know of other students that have been successful after graduating in the healthcare field?
Yeah, I do, Mr. Havers. But if I could just for one moment just say, you know, in terms of when students are looking to join any of the academies at the high school, not to worry so much, you know, in terms of like the academics, but if they really want to do it and they are motivated to do it, then to try it, because Caitlin and Michaela are example of that. They were, you know, they really were willing to dig in and dive into the experiences. So I think it's a combination of applying yourself and then putting yourself out there in that situation. So yes, to answer your question, I have seen people, I saw a graduate actually who is working locally, who is finishing up her some of her requirements for ultrasound technician at RCBC, and she's going to transfer to Piscataway. Also just saw on Facebook one of our graduates just finished and completed her NCLEX exam for nursing. So she's now officially a nurse. And I have seen medical assistant in the urgent care situation. So yeah, we have them out there.
Great. And to your point earlier, I'm sure you both wanted to explore the Medical Arts Academy, but I doubt if either one of you thought, hey, I'm going to be a cardiology nurse or neuroscience nurse, right?
Right.
Yeah. So.
And you don't, you know, there's plenty of room in the academy so that if there's something that you're struggling with that might be a challenge, there's plenty of support and there's plenty of like opportunities to just, if you feel like there's a step you need to take, there's always support there for you.
Now, if there's a freshman right now wondering, how do I learn more about the Medical Arts Academy? What should they do, Mrs. McCartney?
So not to worry if they want to be in it. It's really just, that's the first thing. If they want to help people, if they want to learn about science, really kind of think about and explore what their interests are. Or maybe they're not sure and they want to see what it's like. They would just need to contact their guidance counselor, because they can go to the guidance department. They can ask to see their guidance counselor. They could look at the list of classes that they can choose from. And that's really the requirement.
All right. Thank you all very much for joining me today.
Yeah.
Mikhail and Caitlin, congratulations, and I wish you continued success in the healthcare field.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
A few notes before I go. The next Board of Education work session takes place Thursday, February 15th at 6:30 p.m. in the Pemberton Township High School auditorium. The next Board of Education action meeting will be Thursday, February 22nd at 6:30 p.m. in the Pemberton Township High School auditorium. We encourage you to join us as we recognize our 2024 Staff of the Year members. And please remember that Monday, February 19th, all schools are closed for President's Day. That's our show for today. Thanks for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Inside Outlook.